We stock this tilapia this morning. Earlier in the morning, we visited the supplier and the fish were sorted. As you could see, there are different sizes. So we sorted juveniles. So after sorting them, the fish were back in rubbers. This is how we back tilapia and send them to the stocking center. If you're familiar and you have been following us, you realize that when it is catfish, we have put them in jerrycans and transport them and put them. However, tilapia are not like that. They always need oxygen. So first put them in the rubber. You add water in the rubber first, then add the fish and add oxygen into it. And then you can see them swimming beautiful in that transparent rubber. Then you can send them to wherever. And this lasts about 12 hours, the oxygen inside them. Now, so this wasn't far, it's just within Tamale, from the supplier to the farm, they were within Tamale. So we didn't stress them. As you can see, they're still active. So we lower them gentle into the pond and we acclimatize them. That is allowing the water to neutralize. Now tilapia needs oxygen. So we are adding one of our oxygen air stones to the pond to aerate it. Uh, Especially if you're going to keep tilapia in tapoli pond or in the pond system, you always need to keep oxygen to keep them. So we just added the oxygen to make them more healthy. Now we have untied the rubber and we will allow the water to go inside. Then they will swim in before we pour them into the pond. And this is what we call acclimatization. As you can see, they are very active. But what you should note, I always state, is that once you do this, you don't feed them until in the evening. Now we have gently poured them inside, and you can see they are very, very active. These juveniles are strong and active, and the bubbles or the jiggles that you are seeing in the water are the air stones. It is adding them oxygen. Earlier in the week, we set up the pond, as you can see. Then we did the piping, the plumbing work, just to channel the waste outside. This farmer, we have both catfish and tilapia ponds. We store the catfish in the bigger pond and tilapia here. So we're doing the piping, and that is how we did. And then now this is the big pond where the catfish are, and the small ponds behind that's the tilapia farm. Just to try, the farmer wants to see how the catfish and tilapia will both perform. You can contact us to set up your beautiful farm for you, either catfish or tilapia. Wherever you are in Ghana, we can come there and set it up for you. And even if you don't have any experience in the fish farming, once you set up, we will train you on how to manage the farm. Like we have done to this fish farmer in Tamale. She knew nothing about fish, and after stocking the fish, we trained her, and now she's taking care of her farm. Contact us. Our contact details are on the screen. We can also provide you with service, catfish or tilapia, or you have your farm already and you want our flotation and aeration system. We call the aquatic aquaculture system. Contact us. We come and install it for you, and your farm will be running. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.